Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start now by confirming power and network access. Don't delay. First, make sure the Chromecast Ultra is plugged into power, showing the white LED. Once it's lit, open the Google Home app and locate the Chromecast device card. If you prefer hardware control, position your hand over the unit to reach the small reset button. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi network name and password because you'll need them after the reset. Begin with the method you prefer, app or button. Now perform the reset itself. If using Google Home, tap the Chromecast device, hit Settings, then more 3 dots and choose Factory Reset, confirm when prompted. If you choose the physical button, press and hold for about 25 seconds until the LED flashes and the TV shows a reset animation, then release. Either way, you'll see the device reboot and enter setup mode. Make sure you don't unplug power mid-process. Interrupting can corrupt the device software and prolong recovery. Once the reset finishes, reconnect using the Google Home app. Add a new device, follow on screen pairing, and select your Wi-Fi and Google account. If pairing fails, reboot your router and phone, or temporarily use a mobile hotspot to rule out network issues. Make sure the power adapter supplies steady 5V/1. 5A, or the official adapter, weak power causes instability. If problems persist after repeating the reset and changing power, the unit may have a hardware fault and needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.